Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking up a delicious keto chicken pulao. Oh yeah! Guys, now I've always considered the pulao to be the poor man's biryani. Because well, it seems to be a lot more simplistic in nature, but it's the same idea, meat and rice. In some parts of the world you even call it pilaf. And you know what? Enough jibber jabber, let's go and make it. So to make our pulao, I'm going to start by heating up some bacon fat in my frying pan. I would recommend using ghee if you're looking for a more authentic Indian taste, but I think bacon fat works just fine as well. Once the fat has melted, I'm going to add in some whole Indian spices, some cinnamon sticks, a bay leaf, a few cloves, and some green cardamoms, and just let that sizzle away. And I'm going to add some cumin seeds. Oh yeah, sprinkle that in and let all those spices sizzle away. Next, I'm going to add in about 50 grams of chopped up red onion. Give it all a good mix and let those onions fry. Once they turn translucent, I'm going to add in some ginger garlic paste. You can also add in fresh ginger and fresh garlic. And of course, give it all a good mix. Now I'm going to add in my powdered spices, and I'm adding in some turmeric, some red chili powder, and some coriander powder. And then give it all a good mix. You kind of want to fry out the spices. Next, I add in about 300 grams of boneless chicken leg and thigh meat, and also my tomatoes. And I'm going to give it a generous seasoning of salt and give it all a good mix. Now if you're using chicken breast, I would recommend adding the chicken a lot later because it takes very little time to cook as compared to leg and thigh meat. And also you can completely skip the tomatoes if you want to lower the carb count in this recipe, or you can even just, add half the amount of tomatoes. Anyway, after a few minutes of cooking, I'm going to add in some water, and you're literally making like a chicken curry here. Once everything is well infused, I'm going to add cauliflower rice on top of this. Oh yeah, cauliflower to the rescue once again. Anyway, spread that cauliflower rice over the chicken. And then what you want to do is give it another quick seasoning with some salt. And then just cover it and let it cook. After about 5 to 6 minutes of cooking, you're going to open it up and give it all a good mix. Now this should take about 10 minutes in total to cook. So after you've given everything a good mix, cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes. Now if after cooking it for 10 minutes all the water has not evaporated, just let it cook for a few minutes more till all the water has dried up. And once that has happened, you're going to finish it with some fresh coriander. And that's it, my friends. Your chicken pulao is ready. And my friends, that keto chicken pulao looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait to taste it. So let's go and taste it right away. Alright guys, it's time to taste and I'm super excited. Now two little things that I did not show you on camera. One is I put a knob of butter on the pulao after it was done cooking. That's just to add some more fat to it. And I don't know about you guys, but I love burnt rice. And when I say burnt, I don't mean like black, but you know when you're cooking rice and the bottom gets brown and crispy. Has that ever happened to you when cooking rice? So I did the same thing with my cauliflower rice. And anyway, I can't wait to dig in. I'm literally salivating, and I'm not kidding. Anyway, let's dig in. Won't you take me down to Pulao town? Oh yeah. Wow. This is packing a punch. It is so flavorful. I mean, Who said this is the poor man's biryani? Oh wait, I did. Well, in my books, this is as good as a biryani. Wow. You know what? I'm thinking of making this with mutton. Ooh, it would be even more incredible. Anyway, I'm gonna go and enjoy this now, and I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking. Have mercy.
Would you like a bite? Well, I guess you can't really come through the screen and eat it. Want me to save you some? Fly in from wherever you live. Yeah, you want mine? No? I know that's really mean. Watch another video. I'm so hungry.